Here's everything you get in the steam cleaning set. I love all the nozzles it comes with so you can clean a variety of things. And the water tank holds a lot of water so you can clean longer without having to refill. Everything seals and attaches nicely, preventing any steam to escape. And here I am turning on the steam to the first level. The blinking red shows that it's warming up and the blue means it's ready. And it does warm up pretty quick. As you can see, there are 3 steam modes and you can easily choose them from the handle. So it's very convenient. Here's a quick before of our stovetop. I like that you can select your steam setting on the handle itself and it quickly warms up and starts steaming right away. I'm also happy I don't need to use any harsh chemicals to clean. The steam definitely does a very efficient job at cleaning many surfaces. And here's the after a quick steam scrub. Cleaning grout and tile has been very easy. Here's also a before of our window, and I think this is my favorite nozzle. It steams and squeegees at the same time, so it makes it very clean and leaves no streaks, as you can see in the after video, so definitely very impressed. The extension rod is also a great addition for those hard to reach areas. Even has an upholstery cleaner that works very well. So definitely a great product and I'm really happy with it. And here's a little explanation about all the accessories. You get 3 nylon brushes, so 2 bigger sizes and a smaller, perfect for hard surfaces, cleaning stovetops, faucet bases, so it does a really good job with that. You also get a brass brush, which is perfect for cleaning rust, burnt grease, and will work great for grills and oven racks. You also come with 2 size scrapers, a larger and a smaller. They're perfect for hard flat surfaces. If you have sticky residue or anything sticky, this is perfect. And you have this nozzle, which is great for small, tight spaces. And then you have this attachment, which is a window scraper, so it's perfect for mirrors, windows, cleans all the streaks and water, has a rubber piece here to act as a squeegee, so it definitely does a really good job too. And if you easily remove this, so I love that it's removable, and then once removed, it can be used with this cloth that also comes in the package. And then once it's attached, you can use this as a fabric cleaner, so upholstery, carpets, curtains, bed sheets, couches, so really great for anything like that. Also does come with an extension rod that can be used with any of the attachments. And all the attachment pieces feel really great. They feel sturdy and durable, so really happy with that. And here is the actual steamer. It does have this attachment that you attach all your attachments to. And I love that you can control, you can turn it on here and control the steam setting from here. So you don't need to go to the water tank, you do that there. So you can easily control everything from here. And the tubing is also really heavy duty, so really great quality. You do need batteries for this to work. And the power cord. Also does come with a descaler pin.